Hello and what is up guys, welcome back to the video and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Tengku Ahmad and in today's kind of video, I am very excited to demonstrate to you my mobile application assignment for ICT602. And if you can see right here, our application name is called ZGold. It is a native gold Zakat calculator. So without further ado and stop wasting any more time, let's start with the application customization. As you can see on the home screen right here, the app feature a unique launcher icon featuring my custom logo I just designed. To look at the more clear design, the more clear way of how my design look like, this is the design. I made it my own. So when we launch the app, we are greeted by a custom theme designed around a premium champagne gold and a deep navy blue color system. At the top, we can clearly see that there's a custom title bar, correct? And it displays the application name called ZGold. I believe this will fulfill our customization criteria. So, if we look downwards a bit, some of the good design practice that I have applied to this application. There's a card instruction that guide the user on how to use the app in somewhat gold color card. So this way, the user will immediately know how to use the app without having to find this video of how to use the app. So how about we test the input validation? If I leave the field empty and click the calculate zakat right here, the app will immediately highlight the field with an error message. Please enter the goal weight. But what if I type a negative number or a zero, for example? It flag, please enter a valid positive weight. This is the same error that I also applied to the gold price input, just to prevent any application crashes. Please enter a valid positive gold price. So, after we have seen enough of some of the good design practice, let me show you some demonstration of the calculation. As for our first test case example, we have 100 gram of keep gold. And it is a value at somewhere what you say 280 ringgit. And if we click calculate, the result card dynamically will appear down here at the bottom of the calculation input box, showing that the total zakat that you have to pay is about 105 ringgit, which is exactly 2.5% of the payable value. This match our Sharia calculation perfectly. So, next, let's test a scenario where a goal weight is below the threshold. I'll click a clear fields to reset. Right here, press the clear field. It will clear out all the input field. And how about we enter the 150 gram of wear gold? Yeah, it is below the threshold. And it is cost around 280 ringgit per grams. Because of the threshold wearing gold is 200 gram, 150 gram is under the threshold limit. If we click the calculate zakat, we will immediately see the result at the bottom of this calculation. So to improve the user experience, the app display a soft warning notice saying, note, the weight is below the threshold 200 gram, so no zakat is payable. As shown right here, there's no sign of price that you are able to pay at all inside this total zakat to pay. So I guess that's basically it of how do you use the zakat calculator. Let's navigate to the next part, which is the about page. By using our bottom navigation bar right here, and you can immediately find some of the application detail with the my name as a developer of this application together with some kind of clickable link for you to visit a project GitHub page. When I tap it, it launched the device web browser and direct the user straight to our application GitHub repository. And this is exactly the GitHub repository in case you wanna see in detail of how to download my application project and import it if you are somehow clueless on how to do it. So let's get back to the app. And not to forget, I also include some addition information about the copyright of the application, showing that this application are all right reserved by ZGold Danial in 2026. And finally, let's look at the action bar share feature. In the top right corner, I also include a custom share icon. If you tap this button, it triggers a system share intent just to allow the user to seamlessly share the application detail and the GitHub website URL with a classmate or friend via WhatsApp, Telegram, or even an email. Let's test one example. I'll go for WhatsApp and send it to somewhat close to me, which is, and there he is. Send. And there you go. The auto-generate message will just help you with sending and share this application to your friends. So I guess that conclude the demonstration of ZGold. I believe every kind of rubric position, including customized colors, layout, robust input and output display, some of the error warning and about specification, as well as the share feature are fully implemented in this application. So thank you so much for watching, and I really do hope you have a great day. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video if this is a very helpful one. So goodbye, thank you, bye bye.